So you're looking for a streaming application, but you really want to see some high quality 4K content. You want the application to be absolutely free. You don't want to use any VPN. You don't want to see any adverts. You don't want to have any kind of registration, and you want the application to have some amazing new content. Well, this application ticks all of those boxes. It works great on your Firesticks, Android TVs, and with this latest update, they really have added in some phenomenal content that you can enjoy on all of your streaming devices. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So I'm doing my demonstration on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, but you can follow this process on any other Amazon device and of course any other Android TV device. Now first you want to head over to the settings. Let's go down into My Fire TV. Let's click on that. Let's now click on developer options, go to install unknown apps, and where it says downloader, make sure that's configured to on. And this just means that we can download applications and install them through downloader. Once you confirm that, let's now press the home key and let's now open up downloader. And we can now make a quick connection to my website, which is just TechDoctorUK.com, or you can type in the short code 53402 and this will take you directly to my website. Let's click on go. And this application was updated on the 5th of March 2025, so it is fairly hot off the press. And that really is one of the key things I try to do on my channel, which is to bring you the latest applications, the best applications for streaming, toolboxes, for games, for applications, utilities, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed with all notifications. Now when you get to my site, head over to the hamburger menu, which is one of the 3 lines. Let's click on that. Click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this application on all of your devices. Let's open that up. Here we are. So we can see it has over 1,500 high quality movies and series from the world's best filmmakers. Keep scrolling down. You've got the step-by-step install guide. Underneath all of that, we should have 2 separate applications. So the first one's for your TV-based devices, so for your Fire Sticks, for your Android TV devices, and the second one's for your phones and tablets. So as I'm doing this on my 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, I'm going to install the first one. Let's click on that. I can now scroll down and I'm looking for this green download button. Install that onto your device. Once you've done that, let's now press the home key. Now before I open up the application, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, protect your privacy, change your IP address, access geolocked content, definitely scan this code for a great discount. Let's now open up the application. Now, when you start the application for the first time, we can see it takes you straight into the home section, which will show you some of those popular documentaries, popular content. Now, you'll notice that some of these movies or some of these documentaries will come up with, when you click on them, it will say preview now. But when you actually click on it again, it will actually start the documentary for you. So I think it's just a bug or an error message. But as you can see here, we are now streaming that content straight away. So you've got paranormal, you've got popular playlists, you've got audience choice for true crime, the all-time most watched. This is really, if you're not really sure where to start or what to click on, I'll definitely have a look at some of the content in here because it really does have some impressive stuff. And here you can see, for example, the search for the Cosmic Dawn is something else that's been broadcast or recorded in high quality 4K. Let's try that for a second. Just to show you that it's not just one episode, one movie, as this is an official application. Everything in there is working. It's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy some superb content in glorious 4K. That's working great. You can see some simulation of a spacecraft or a space station. Let's back out of that. Now, if you don't want to go through a list here, you can also go to the left and go to the genres. And here, for example, now you get to see a menu on the left exploring the different genres of the documentaries or series available in this application. So everything from space to true crime, ancient history, science, biography, early modern, nature, earth, art and culture, social issues, lots and lots of different things. Here we go to travel and adventure. And you've got some interesting documentaries from all over the world. Here we have Frozen North. Let's click on that. Again, this is also broadcast in 4K. Click on that. And again, you can see without any interruptions, any pop-ups, any adverts, in a few seconds, we are once again streaming this content in glorious 4K. That's working great. Let's back out of that. The only thing I would recommend on this application is don't click on the settings, because I found if you do that, it does seem to hang the application, and the only fix then is to go to manage applications and click on force stop. So we don't need to go there anyway, because all of the content is available for us in home or in the genres or in the playlist. You can also search for content. Let's go to search. Let's say I'm searching for a series. Let's just try food. Why not? And we can see here, as soon as I click on that, it now shows me all of those different documentaries which match the food search string. So here's the food race. I can click on that. Once again, also available in 4K. Click on it again. I'm now watching the food race, and that's working. And that really is a great picture, guys. Obviously, I can't really show the content because of YouTube, but definitely when you install this application, I definitely think you'll find something of interest in here. And the fact that we have all of this content all in high definition or in 4K, application doesn't need any registration, doesn't require any kind of login. Literally just install it onto your Firestick, onto your Android TV, and you can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content on all of your streaming devices. The only thing I would recommend for certain applications, I do always advise that make sure you've got your VPN running. And what that basically means that you are covering yourself, you are covering your online identity, your online fingerprint, which is really your IP address. Because when you activate a VPN, you're now no longer using your own IP address. You are now using an IP address from your VPN provider. Right now, there's a superb offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy. So they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.